Okay, this is a day in my life. So, simulan muna natin sa pagluluto ng aking almusal. Ayan, so nagtula ako dito ng meatloaf. Yan, kita nyo naman. Perfect. Siyempre, pagkatapos ko magluto, naligo na din ako. And, ayan, Shara, nakaligo na agad ako, di ba? Let's go. Okay, so ready na tayo mag-work. Nga pala, ngayon po ay walang pasok ang mga bata kasi suspend po ang klase. Pero, dapat maging productive po tayo. Kaya naman, after sending my task to my student, gumagawa na din ako ng PowerPoint ko for our next lesson. Ayan nga, nag-Canva na po ako. Dito lang ako humahanap ng mga PowerPoint as my template. Again, template lang siya. Para nga sa aking mga PowerPoint. Nga pala, shout out sa aking mga naging estudyante sa Batangas State University. Ayan, ang aking president, Sir Rain. Rizal, Isabel, Jasmine, Ezekiel, Yasha, Jen Bala, Carlos, Isa. Thank you for subscribing. At silang lahat. Okay? Oh, thank you for subscribing sa aking YouTube channel at sana magpatuloy pa po kayo kahit hindi niya po tapos ang video. Char. Siyempre tapusin niyo ang video. Alam ko miss niyo na po ako. Miss ko na din kayo, okay? Ayan nga pala. So, ito lang, nag-download na ako ng mga PowerPoint presentation na sa tingin ko ay medyo ayos naman at mas interactive sa bata. Okay, shout out lang sa aking mga grade 7 Newton. My previous student in Batangas State University Integrated School. Miss ko na kayo. See you soon. Okay? Yun na ha. Lahat na kayo yon. Grade 7 Newton. Academic year 2023-2024. Okay lang. Okay, so dito tapos ko nang i-download lahat ng mga PowerPoint at nung may check kung downloaded na naman, dadalawa pa lang pala. So, inulit ko ulit dito yung iba na aking i-download. Yan na, inulit ko muna ulit din-download yung isa. Kasi hindi siya nag-download automatic. Okay, so inulit ko siya kasi may mga bagay talaga na kaya din-download muna, yung nandiyan na. Meron at meron pa din na hindi agad-agad nagda-download. Okay, yung pinapakita mo na lahat-lahat pero ayan, manid pa din. Char, nasingit pa yun. Okay, so inulit ko lang dito. And ayan. So ginawa ko yung nagstay na lang ako dun sa presentation then downloading. Okay, kasi feel ko kaya hindi siya nag-download kanina is umalis ako bigla without checking kung na-download talaga siya. Ayan. So, dito naman mag-start na ako kasi na-download ko na lahat ng kailangan kong PowerPoint presentation. So, mag-start na ako maggawa. Okay? Ayan. So, starting na ako sa akin pag-edit ng template. Ayan. So, dahil template lang talaga siya, ang kinuha ko dito, i-edit ko na lang siya. Ilalagay ko sa template na yun yung pinaka-lesson ko sa math. Okay. So, chinek ko lang din dito yung mga lesson at kasi baka nagkakamali na ako ano ituturo ko or anong gagawin kong PowerPoint presentation. And yan, sunod-sunod na yan. Starting that, lahat ng PowerPoint at lang lesson ko ay ginawa ko na din. Ano po? So, yun. At eto na po ang final. Ayan, so ito na yung final edit ng PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so double check lang natin kung sakto or ayos po. At kung meron ako nakikitang mali, i-re-edit ko lang siya ulit. Okay? Kaya pinipresent ko siya kung okay na. So, yun yung mga activity. Then, so, of course, yung lesson na namin. So, may napansin ako dyan na mali, kaya binalikan ko siya para may kulang doon. After that, activity 2, examples, and more. So far naman is good po ang ating PowerPoint presentation. Kunti lang yung kailangan kong i-edit. And next, gumawa na din ako ng second PowerPoint presentation ko for the next day. So same template lang, binago ko na lang is yung pinaka nilalaman. Same activity lang din. And that's it. Okay. So, after that, gumawa din ako ng PowerPoint presentation ko for grade 7. Kasi ang handle ko is grade 7 and grade 8. And eto na nga. So, after nyan, gumawa ulit ako ng so, edit lang ulit kasi may nakikita akong mali dito. Yung equation, dapat. Yung mga equation, i-presentation natin ay naka-equation pa din. Ayan, so pagkatapos kong gumawa ng PowerPoint presentation ko sa grade 8, chinek ko naman ang grade 7 ko. So, kung saang lesson na ba kami at kung anong gagawin kong PowerPoint presentation pa. So, yan, chinek ko na lahat. Then, kahit yung lesson, at yung nakita ko mga kailangang edit, so in-edit ko na din siya.
See all those pipes out there? Those are the brew pipelines. They started somewhere in Brewey, where all that brew starts getting pumped out to all those factories across Udos. Imagine that. Hey, how's it go? We got problems. You think? It's worse? Much, much worse. I played it. Gosh. Now I know why the others are dying. It's the brew. It's killing them. That's ridiculous. Brew never killed nobody. We've been drinking it all our lives. That's just it. It's when we don't have brews, that's when we get sick. Because the brew is designed to kill us if we ever escape. Well, you're okay, and we escaped. But only because you stashed brews for us when we split the farm. Then the train we stole had brews on it, and we got lots more. But when we run out, we're screwed. But you said you crafted a cure. But only in little doses, not enough for a whole continent full of factories full of slaves. And a lot more rumors will be spreading after what we've done today. With lots more escapes and lots more dying. I need to find the keeper. We gotta get to Necrum. Who's the next target? Oh goodness, weak, pathetic, uneducated schmuck of a slave still managed to be alive. I don't know, boss, but that creepy dude is some kind of supernatural, I tell you. I wouldn't have believed it had I not seen it with my own eyes when my best friends got taken over by some kind of mind control, and suddenly they start blowing each other away. Pow, 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 pow. It was so disturbing. I don't know, boss, but maybe the brew ain't working on that one. Brew was our insurance. Our guarantee that would prevent anything like this from ever happening. But it is happening, and we're past that creep's expiration date. Unless they had brew with them. How do you explain it? Maybe the brewmaster's solution is failing us. Welcome back to News for Your Blues. Following up on our top story, how Mullet
Ayan, so doon, natapos ko na lahat. I-check at dinoble check ko na. Kaya ako ngayon ay gagawa ng PowerPoint presentation ko para sa aking grade 7 student. Ayan, so chinek ulit yung aking lesson na gagawin. Ayan. So tingin ko ito ay okay na kasi nagawin ko na pala siya. So next lesson ako.
here at the site of the one-stop performing meat farm on Ludos, now just a smoldering
Then,
disaster area.
copy-copy lang din sa template na meron ako.
A charge
Then, ito na po ang result.
favorite force and trained by the cooperative. Hello, Mr. Morgan.
Yan, so inedit ko lang din dyan lahat hanggang matapos.
The brewmaster yet. Sorry, sir, but the communication line seems to be down all along the Z-line. How often does that happen? Only once that I know of, and that was a hurricane. One other thing, though. There's this conspiracy theory floating around about an uprising at Rupture Farms. Claims some PTSD sling survivors. They've been rambling on about a supernatural slave took out Mullick's place and escaped with the rest of the slaves. Says they didn't die there. Thought you should know. Would Mullick really burn his own farm down? Or is the brew failing us? Mr. Morgan, I know we're in a creepy business digging up bones and stuff, but when you get
So, ito na yung final ng grade 7 ko. Ayan. Medyo okay naman to.
Your destiny's bleak and stark. In its grip, we share a mark.
So far, okay naman ang aking pag-edit. Ayan. So, thank you. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo habang nanonood ng aking vlog for this day. Thank you. Dapat productive pa din kahit nasa bahay. Good. See you for my next vlog. Bye-bye.